In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a drop-down list in Google Sheets. A drop-down is perfect for keeping data clean and consistent. Think status labels like to do, in progress, and done, or categories like high, medium, and low. Let's set one up from scratch. First, open Google Sheets in your browser. If you're already signed in, you'll land on the home screen. Create a new file by opening a blank spreadsheet. You'll see a grid with rows and columns. Click the cell where you want the drop-down to live. You can start with a single cell and later copy it to other cells if you want the same list across a column. Go to the top menu and click Insert. From the menu that opens, choose Drop-Down. This opens the drop-down setup panel on the right side of your screen. In some interfaces, this feature may also be labeled as Data Validation, but you're looking for the option that lets you define list items. In the Setup panel, place your cursor in the first text field and type the value you want to appear in the list. For example, type to do for a task tracker. Keep your wording short and consistent so it's easy to scan. Next, pick a color for that item. Color coding is optional, but it makes your sheet more visual. Choose hues that stand out from each other and avoid harsh combinations that are hard to read. Add more choices by clicking. Add another item. Enter the next value, choose its color, and repeat for as many list items as you need. A concise set of options usually works best. Too many choices can slow people down. If you change your mind about an item's order, you can rearrange them right in this panel. When you're happy with the list, click Done to apply the settings. Now return to the cell you selected and click the small arrow that appears. You'll see your new drop-down with all the items you entered. Select one to test it. If everything looks good, you can reuse this drop-down by copying the cell and pasting it to other cells or dragging the fill handle down a column. That saves time and keeps your entries consistent. And that's it. You've built a clear, color-coded drop-down list in Google Sheets, ready to standardize your data and speed up data entry.